Welcome, Concrete5 enthusiasts. This presentation about installing Concrete5 from the Bash command line is hosted by Vivid Ventures, an information technology solution provider. To follow along, upload the shell script install-concrete5.sh from the gist account onto your server. Also, upload the required script secretcredentials.sh into the same directory. For a successful install, the database must have no tables and the target directory should not exist. To view the instructions, open the file install-concrete5.sh in an editor. Locate this script in an IC5 directory. Should be next to the public HTML directory and not in your web directory. Change this file to an executable. Edit the database credentials and run the script. Now we'll edit the database credentials. Heeding the warning, do not store your secrets in the configuration management or version control as they may become publicly available. We'll edit this file and assign the database credentials as they've been provided to the MySQL data source connection from credentials provided to the cPanel database wizard or other setup commands. This install will take about 22 to 40 minutes, which means keep your internet connection alive and don't let your terminal go to sleep. So now you'll want to issue this command. And then after that install time, you should be able to surf to a website, your website, that has a custom folder and public and then the index. This folder is based on the current version of Concrete5. If the version goes up, this folder name may change. In any case, you'll also probably want to know, take a look at what this directory looks like. There's install script and the secret script. These other two are just for this presentation. Thank you very much for watching.